Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Play Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal. Now, I know for sure that this is the first Sega game I have ever made a Let's Play of. And this game I got on my birthday, so that was like in 2014 I think. But we're in 2016, so it's not so bad to say. It took me like a while to think of a new Let's Play. I thought of it, so we're gonna be starting Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal for the Nintendo 3DS. Also, if you want it, you can go buy it in stores. I think they still have it. And there's a game like this, Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric for the Wii U, so it should still be in stores. If not, then I'm wrong. So save that as one's my file. I'm not gonna delete that. I'm gonna start a new file. Okay, let's get into this right now.
Back off, Lyric.
Not until you tell me what those symbols say. I know they hold the location of the shattered fragments of the lost crystal.
Why do you think your fellow ancients hid the fragments in the first place? So slimy snakes like you couldn't find them and abuse their power.
Those frightened fools were too weak to harness this power, and now they are dust. As the last remaining ancient, the crystal is mine by right.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
Fighting for my life with the fate of the world in the balance. You know, the usual.
Hey, who's that?
You'll tell me what I want to know, little girl.
I don't think so.
What you think is exactly what this device will reveal.
Amy? Who are you?
You can call me Lyric, or Master. Honestly, once I read the location of the crystal fragments from Amy's brain, I don't care what you call me.
Amy! I gotta get Tails on the gang. Oh, Lyric, you are so gonna get the big beat down.
And that, my friends, is how we get. Yeah, that's how we have to take on the Lyric. So we gotta go help. We gotta go save Amy. That's technically what this whole game is all about. Saving Amy. We know normally the one. It's not really saving Amy. It's normally destroying Robotnik or Eggman. But here we go. Now, this will not be 100%. I don't even know why I even say that, because I shouldn't really need to say that, because this level, honestly, is not that. This level, okay, these levels are pretty long, so, because I was like, I don't know if I should make this a Let's Play, because, honestly, the levels are kind of long. But I just decided to make a Let's Play for this, so. And I remember that I am pretty good at this game, so. And besides, this is the first Sega game I made a Let's Play of, so this actually does helps me, Also, if you want me to continue, Mario Sonic 1 in 2012, just tell me. I mean, like, I might continue it. Okay, I mean, I will continue more Mario and Sonic in the 2012 Olympic Games later on. So, some of you guys are probably worried about, Alex, you guys are probably worried about Mario and Sonic in the 2012 Olympic Games. Where that is, I still have it in. However, I just don't have it with me. I have it with me. I just didn't start the rest of that Let's Play. Like, I should have started the rest of that Let's Play first. But technically, since that's just technically a story mode, which I will be continuing later on in the future, maybe in a little bit. Maybe I'll do it when my cold's gone. I don't know, because Yeah, I'll probably do it once my cold's gone. I don't know when that will be. That or I'll just decide. I'll just decide myself. Cause I'll probably do it when my cold goes away. Oh, yeah. When I first saw this game, I was like, what happened to Sonic? I mean, like, he has all these, he's like, has some bandages wrapped around him or something like that. Like, not band-aids, you know what I mean? Like, bandages, like, the white ones. And a brown scarf. Like, honestly, what has changed about them? Alright. Gosh, no. What the heck? I didn't even do anything. Yeah. Get the bird. Now, normally I will start getting hit eventually. I don't know when, though. Luckily, I actually know what I'm doing because I just... But with this... I mean, never mind. I do know what I'm doing, though. But with the shield, it's just... I'm fine because... I don't have to worry about, like, anything bothering me. Like, when you get hit, you lose all your rings, right? Well, not all your rings, but you lose, like, a little bit. Like, you won't see 300 rings go around the ground. It's kind of really weird. You know what I mean? It's kind of be really, really, really weird. Oh no! Guys, I need another shield. I don't know, my only hopes are just to make sure I don't get hit. Like, I know there aren't any ranks in this game, but honestly, I was, like, you don't even, I don't know what the ranks are supposed to even do for you. Oh! Alright, no! See what I meant? That's what I mean, like, you don't get every single win again. Good heavens! I swear I will lose it. Gosh. Good. Gosh. Luckily there are not at all any ranks in this game. Not that I remember of them being any anyway. Oh boy. Oh yes! Feel the beat, feel the rhythm, or I don't know. Feel the beat. Like, I love this music. This music's awesome. All right. Oh gosh, I thought I got hit there. I thought I would get hit. But was I lucky? Of course I was, because, I am always lucky. Alright. Eh. No. We're not being done. The level is now complete. Let's see. What? Wait. Oh, what? What? Oh. See, we could have got the token if we hadn't have done, if we hadn't have got hit. Which I really hate, because I hate getting hit like that so much. Tails, I was just online with Amy. She got a line on those super powerful shattered crystal shards she's been hunting. Cool. But some big crazy robo-snake calling himself Lyric still slithered her and snagged her. Not so cool. I was hoping you could use your scientific know-how and plucky can-do attitude to figure out where she is. First thing we need to do is figure out where she's been. You can do that. Give me 10 minutes and I'll tell you what she had for breakfast last September. I've been itching to experiment with this ancient tech we gloomed from those ruins Amy's been digging in. Who just gloomed? Glom, I think it was. I just did. Oh snap. Alright. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching. Next time, we will be doing Seaside Jungle. I can unlock it, but I won't unlock it next, like in this part. Like, literally, honestly, I love how this game is. I used to love this game until I got bored of it once I beat it. There is a percentage of this game. Most games don't have that much of a percentage, actually. This game dies, it all depends on see, they have their own things. Those crystals are 40. The gears for Tails' lab are at 48. The shards are crystal shards are for Stick's burrow. There are 40 of them. See, I got all of them 100%. I got all 40 of the crystals, all 48 of the gears, and all 34 of the of those completions things. However, you need to get every token, which that means by getting without getting hit, like getting your coins, getting the time right. That's why I quit doing that. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see some more of this game or more Nintendo or Sega content, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, my Mario Masters from Nintendo.